Tagalog translation. Equal money FAQ. Betrothing my state to my children. Pagbibigay ng pamana sa mga anak.
FAQ. Betrothing my estate to my children. In an equal money system, you will have no estate to betroth.
Sa equal money system, wala kang ipapamanang estate sa mga anak.
You will have personal possessions like clothes and
meron kang personal na gamit katulad ng damit,
things you've made and
mga kasangkapang ginawa mo.
That can go to children, but most of the good
Yung mga yon pwede mong ipamana sa mga anak mo.
You would have had will immediately go for recycling.
Pero ang iba ay mapupunta sa recycling.
So that it doesn't end up in somebody else's garage or in somebody else.
Para hindi mapupunta sa garahe ng ibang tao.
Else's yard and becomes
mapupunta sa ibang taong yard at maging
nuisance. That
nuisance,
which is of value, will be able to be continued, but property will not.
Yung mga may value na kasangkapan ay pwedeng may continue, pero yung
to be continued, but property will not be owned, so therefore.
Pero ang mga properties ay hindi ma-own.
Or property will be directed in a way that is best for all.
At ang mga property ay idadirect para sa benepisyo ng lahat, para sa kabutihan ng lahat.
Maybe so to go to your family, it'll be the first option if there is parts of the family that.
Ang unang opsyon ay ibigay ito sa kapamilya mo, pero kung walang kapamilya,
don't have their own living space yet, that will automatically happen. They will have priority. Of the family that don't have their own living space yet, that will automatically happen.
Mapupunta yon sa mga kapamilya na wala pang living space o matitirahan.
And they will have priority, but there won't be any taxes, there won't be any value that is
pero wala ng mga buwis o taxes
transferred per se, because the
na maiilipat o mai-transfer.
Value is life.
Dahil ang value ay life o ang halaga, ang mahalaga ay buhay.
To find out more about the intricate things, the
para malaman mo ang mga masilimuot na mga bagay-bagay,
many things that will change.
na mga mag-change
and an equal system.
o magbabago sa equal system.
Read us regularly on Block Book.
Basahin mo ang mga blog books regularly. www.equalmoney.org